So Mark buys 6 flower pots. He spends a total of $8.25, and each pot costs 25 cents more than the next one below its size. Okay, so they're going up by 25 cents. So let's let X be the cost of the first flower pot. All right, let's say he buys 6 of them, but we know he didn't pay the same price for all of them. We know that there was an increase of 25 cents for the second one, and then the third one was 50%, and the fourth one would have been 75 cents, and the fifth one would have been $1, and the sixth one would have been $1.25, and that's $8.25. The total is $8.25. So this is 6x plus, well, let's see here. There's $1 right there, and there's $2, and there's $3.75. So $3.75 equal $8.25. Subtract $3.75 from both sides, and that gives you $4.50. And then I'm going to do a little long division, 4.5. So that's going to be 6 times 7. 7 times 6 is 42. Isn't that nice? So the first pot costs 75 cents. But we're trying to figure out the largest pot, and the larger pot's going to be $1.25 more. So 75 cents plus $1.25 is going to give you $2, and that's it.